Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're covering presentations and public speaking, a skill that can transform your professional and personal life. Whether you're presenting at work, speaking at an event, or giving a toast at a wedding, these phrases will help you communicate with confidence. Every good presentation has a clear structure: an opening, a main body, and a conclusion. Your opening should grab attention and tell the audience what to expect. A classic professional opening sounds like, "Good morning, everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about our new marketing strategy." Or, "Thank you for having me. I'm going to share 3 key findings from our research." Signposting is the technique of guiding your audience through your presentation with verbal cues. For example, moving on to my second point, or, as I mentioned earlier, or, let's now turn to the question of. These phrases help listeners follow your train of thought. When referring to visuals, slides, charts, graphs, or images, use phrases like, "as you can see from the slide," or "this graph clearly shows the upward trend in," or "I'd like to draw your attention to the figure on the right." To summarize before your conclusion, say, "Before I wrap up, let me recap the key points." Then list them briefly. Your conclusion should be memorable, end with a clear call to action, a thought-provoking question, or a strong statement. Handling nerves is part of public speaking. Slow down, nervous speakers rush. Pause for effect, silence is powerful, not awkward. Make eye contact, it builds trust. And practice out loud, not just in your head. For the Q&A, questions and answers, invite questions with, "I'd be happy to take any questions now." If you don't know an answer, say, "That's a great question, let me get back to you on that." Today we covered structure, signposting, visuals, conclusions, and the Q&A. Public speaking is a skill, and like all skills, it improves with practice. See you next time.